The robotic welding is a programmable mechanical tool that performs the welding process in a totally automatic way, offering a reliable welding solution to high-volume repetitive parts or big-size assemblies. We also offer manual MIG and TIG welding with certified highly trained operators, as well as spot welding. Our equipment characteristics are Yaskawa, Miller, and Fronius. The materials that can be welded are carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Our advantages are precision and quality, greater productivity, welding of complex pieces, clean finishes, low cost. In precision cut, the welding is of total precision.